Hello everyone. This video, I'm going to share a very practical and hopefully very useful tips that I've been using for sending out email blast. Suppose you administrated a survey and now it's the time to announce the winners of the incentive. For example, in this case, we are going to send out some Amazon gift card to several student winner who completed our student satisfaction survey. And we want to let them know, and also in the email message, we want to confirm their email address or request their preferred email address to receive the Amazon gift card. So we have a Excel sheet like this where we have the specific amount of the Amazon gift card that the student win. We have student's email, and for our testing example, I put all the different email address I have here. We gave them different names. So based on the Excel, we're going to connect it with an email message using the Word document. So this is a Word document I already composed. So the email message, I already have a draft. And then I want to insert specific first names here. And then I'll tell them what is the amount of Amazon gift card they want. So I need to connect the Excel sheet with this Word and sending an email automatically because I have multiple. You may have a email blast sending to 100 persons. So it's a really tedious task if you need to do this one by one. In this case, I only have 4 students. But suppose you have a lot more, so this would be a very useful tip to use. Let's go back to the Word document because there is an option, kind of a tool that's going to help us to complete this task. So under this mailing tab, once you click that, you will find there is a select recipient place. So you click that and you already have a list saved in this Excel file. So you're going to use an existing list and you'll find it in the folder where you saved it. So this is the copy of containing all the test emails. So you select it and Microsoft Word is asking you to give it kind of permission to make sure that the file you're connecting to does not have any virus. So it's safe to open it. So let's click yes, because that is a file I created and I trust it. In some case, you might have a very large file and you only want to focus on their name and the specific amount, like the fields you need. So you might specify the cell range. But in this case, we do have a small Excel, so it does not matter and it won't affect the efficiency of this mailing function. So we'll just click OK, and the default is selecting the entire worksheet of the Excel we just connected to. So now we can insert different field in here. So remember those options here actually correspond to the column names you have in the Excel sheet. So in this case, the first field I want to insert is their first name. So the first name is inserted. Another place I want to insert is the column name for the amount of the Amazon gift card. So, and I only want to insert those 2 places. I do not need them to know their last name, or I don't need any of the other column names to be appeared in this email message. So there's another very handy option here called view merged data. So give some preview. So this is the first the first row of that Excel sheet. The first is for Joanne, who wins a 100 Amazon gift card. And then the second, once you click it through, you will see it corresponds to each student in each row in the Excel, and it has the corresponding value in the same row for the different column, which is the amount column. So if you do need to add more field, you don't need to worry about it manually putting and checking the amount is matched to that person. So this way, it's a more kind of automatic way to help you maybe one step further and make your job easier when you need to send some email blast to different people and you want to make it sound personalized by addressing that person's name and share some specific information that's specific to that person. So that's the preview stage, and it looks good. So now I'm ready to send. So there is a finish and merge button here, and you want to merge it to email. So once you click this, the Outlook application will automatically open on your desktop. But the requirement is you do have that Outlook application installed on your desktop and you logged in. So I did all that. So when I click this merge to email, it pops up of this mail recipient, because you do need to specify the column name for your email. So I named the email column email, so that's very intuitive, and I'll click that. And the subject would be the email subject. So by this, I'll just give an example of winners. So congratulations, winners, maybe. Congratulations, winners. And then let's send it as a HTML message so that our signature and all the bolded text and the font looks nicely. So HTML message would be my preference. So now we're ready to merge it to the outbox. So once we click this button, we actually have our outbox. So it's happening too fast. So the mail already sent, and I send it to myself, and I received this message with the name I just specified and with the specific thing I specified. So this is already automatically going to be sent out for you. So you do not need to click anything in your email. The only thing you need to click are all the different buttons within the Word document. So hopefully this is a very maybe useful tip for you. The next time when you are going to share something with a number of different persons, especially when you want to address each of the person personally, and there's some specific information corresponding to that specific people you want to share in your email message, you can do it this way. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up so that I can make more videos like this in the future to share more practical tips that I find useful in my day-to-day work. And also please feel free to subscribe, because in the future, as I said, I will share things that I find useful and especially some tools or softwares that I think would benefit for others. Thank you very much.